Well, that was fun. Get this all back up now. Oh no, yeah, I don't know what the heck happened. My my streaming computer literally just said, "Nope, done." Yeah, give me a sec. I gotta get everything back in order. My streaming computer literally said, "Nope, not today," and just shut down. I don't know why. All right, voices should be back. Should be. All right, let's pull all this other. Yeah. All right, Rusty's retirement back up.
Mic check.
Mic check 1, 2. I just heard I heard it go out, and I'm like, what in the world's going on here? Like, it wasn't like I lost full power, because it was like one computer stayed and the other computer just said no. So it was really weird. But whatever. We're back. I'm gonna have to look into why that happened. Alright, let me get the good old fishing back. Maybe I'm just running too many chat games on this thing. Y'all keep telling me to add stuff, and now it's breaking. It's y'all's fault. I'm blaming y'all. Blaming chat. There we go. Of course, add start. God dang it.
Who is the you all you speak of?
You all, y'all, all of y'all. Okay. There we go. All right, I think we're back, and I think we're good. Hopefully, for now.
I blame either Ali or TD. Can't choose on that one.
Well, we can always blame TD. That's not a problem. That's most definitely not a problem. Okay, now back to what I was originally doing. We can cut this out. And then this needs to be playlist ID. Now that seems more correct. So I don't need current video index. Ah, that's right. I remember this now. So I published this. DLLs. So now if I compile this, yep, there we go. YouTube play. It is enabled. Alright, let's see if it works. Arg is not defined. On message. Oh. Because I'm silly. Because I'm silly. I gotta enable the damn thing first. Now let's try it. Oh, snap. Okay. Alright, y'all get it. Hold on.
Webmage said, "Welcome back."
Thanks. Yeah, sorry, my streaming PC just said nope. Alright, y'all get Linux. I need to check this anyway. So this auth, but I need what was lights DB. I need to make sure that overwrote. No, it's not. God dang it. Sylvia, I may need your assistance. I mean, it's fine for now, but I need to figure out why that's not working the way it's supposed to. Everything I've tried. Args is not defined. The heck you mean args is not defined? Is 30th. Guess I don't need user. I gotta do some if checks anyway on that. Both of these actually. All of these. Yeah, I don't understand why it's not overriding that token. So try and get build, publish. Out. Of course I have to close it. Then reopen, see what happens. Args is not defined. On data, on message, error. Oh, is it an error in the script? I haven't touched this in a while, so it's very well possible.
You unstable?
I am unstable. I know a bunch of stuff changed for alpha. I'm pretty sure, yeah, I'm unstable. I haven't updated the dev.
Yeah, that's why I was asking.
Yeah, I saw. Oh, you know what? This did change, and I can't remember how it changed. Because what it was this was when we found out that custom.
Oh, for the custom stuff.
Yeah, custom was not right. So we had the workaround. I just have to remember how that changed. Because it was working with the workaround, but now it's broken. WebSocket, subscribe. Events. Or do I need to look at? I probably need to look at actually. Streamer bot client. API. Custom events. There we go. So it's general.custom. So I don't think I need the command, right? Just general custom. I think. Oh no, I'm still not great in WebSockets. Well, that at least did not throw an error. I'm pretty sure that's wrong. Wait, client on. Sent to general. Dot custom. Yeah, so now I'm unsure. On data return. Okay. I gotta figure out how to do this correctly. The streamer bot info, which I get all that there. Data. Open with.
Data. Event. Source equals general, data. Event. Type equals custom.
Maybe?
In JS.
Well, see, this is... Okay, so... What I'm trying to remember is how you set up the client. Because he has option stuff, and you have a subscribe. So, you can subscribe... Oh, so event, maybe? Event. General custom. I wonder. Nope, nothing. Because I know doing client on and then actually your constructor are different. Action cues, action history. But it's not even sending data with that.
Outlaw lost their mind and just cheered 100 bits.
What's up, Perry? Oh, come on. Did that break too?
General, Custom.
Why did that break? Anyway, what's up, Perry? How are you?
Oh my god, the green alien is a god.
There it is. Why did it not do that before?
Oh my god, the green alien is a god.
It's working now. Okay, whatever. It's weird.
Sylvie said, 23 CVEs found.
Nice. I'm gonna pretend like I know exactly what those are.
Not nice.
Oh. Like I said, I'm gonna pretend I know what those are. Okay, so you're saying...
CVE is a vulnerability.
Webmage said, subscribe. I am trying to spam TTS, General, Custom.
So I only need subscribe general custom. That's all I need.
That's from a message whip in Discord.
Okay. Okay. I thought I just did that a while ago and it didn't work. I could be wrong.
Randy said, equals common vulnerabilities and exposures.
Ah, gotcha.
Webmage said, so no, around custom.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Maybe that explains it. I did not mean to launch terminal. My goodness. Okay. Yeah, see, there was this whole debacle and we had to set it up in such a way. Yeah, it's not throwing anything.
Sylvie said, ha, I see you're still using my style.
Well, this is the first time I've opened it up since we messed with it. Because once we found out that the WebSocket part was messed up, I haven't touched it yet. But yeah, it's still there. And your notes and all that too.
Webmage said, just sent DM.
Okay, I see. So he restructured all of this. I mean, it makes sense. So subscribe, general, custom. And then my on data should work. Hmm. Well, it's not triggering anything. And it should log that data was received. So I'm not sure what's going on here. Y'all just playing all the games. Might have to get a computer just for the games. Like, for real.
Sylvie said, lol.
Y'all gonna have so many games going, I'm gonna have to be like, crap, I need to put it all on this other computer. Okay, so I have on Connect, on Data, any. I mean, subscribe is correct. The only thing different between mine and his is the way the on data is done. Okay. I was like, something's not right here. One of these things is not like the other. So it was the
Are you
brackets.
sending on a custom topic?
Yes. Because all the web player stuff is custom commands. But it's not reflecting any. Maybe if I just, man, it shouldn't matter, but yeah, I'm not getting jack squat. Unless this is all wrong now. But on data, I should get some kind of console log anyway. They're sent with the event source general and event type of custom. So I can do client on. I'm not sure what I'm missing. Subscription will automatically be added to client with your listener function. Okay, I wonder. Should I do the on data or should I just do the client? The client.on. Let's do a console log there. Ah, there we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Error invoking on data handler of none. Data.any. Okay. Got some kind of data there.
Webmage said, General, Custom.
Let's see. I mean, I know this JavaScript worked at one point in time. Data dot. I wonder. Data.custom. No. Wonder general.
Sylvie said, why not just log data?
I'm trying to, okay. Oh, you mean just like straight up data? That works.
Yeah.
Get info. Well, definitely got nothing on that. So I'm assuming that that's...
What triggers the custom event to be sent?
I'm about to feel really dumb here, aren't I haven't used this in forever. No, that's animes. This should be the WebSocket. So the command should trigger. Like I said, it's been so long since I touched this. Okay. Play videos and playlist. YouTube videos playlist play. So this should get the list of videos. Playlist ID. And this should broadcast the current video ID. So that broadcast video ID to here, which play should send video ID to load the YouTube player with the video ID. And then this creates the whole element. Should. And this worked prior to the WebSocket being fixed. So let's try something, I guess. Client on. Let's do this.
Sylvie964 thought it was wise to use 100 points on Measure Me.
Client on general custom payload. Payload data events. Okay. I wonder. Console.log data. Before I go into all this mess right here and go down this rabbit hole. Next to that. Nope. Even the if doesn't jump it there. So payload event. I think you have to like name the custom event now. Doesn't make any sense. I don't know how I had it working prior to everything being like because we got all the cases here, the data received, and we try based on the case So it's really basically how the data is coming in. And on data should work as long as I'm subscribed to the events.
Why don't you just use client dot on haha?
Because I didn't want to go rewrite everything. Damn it. I mean, I guess I'm going to have to. But now I think I have to change everything the way I wrote it.
Client dot on general dot custom on data.
Look, you know me and WebSockets do not get along. So on data. Oh, what's the... Oh, great. Never mind. Okay, that's what I thought. Payload.
What are you doing?
I was trying to log and see what was coming in.
What I send is the completed.
That's gonna log it. Even, like, because that's what I was looking for.
It's just running the on data function.
Oh, okay. I gotcha. I was just trying to see what was coming back through console. That's why I did that.
Just log the data obs in the on data function.
Alright. It does say subscribe to General Custom, so that's a start. Or did that say that a while ago? On data. Console.log. Data. ID, general array, custom. That's the get info request. But nothing's coming through on that.
Then that's an SB not sending it issue.
Yeah, I don't know why I started messing with this tonight. I knew better. I knew better. I mean, this shouldn't matter. It said it was connected, but... Yeah, that's what I figure. Oh, it says subscribe to... Even though that is, okay. That's fun. That's kind of funny. Let's do this.
Randy said, I may have a storm about to blow in after a bit. Even has some smaller momentous cloud.
Gotcha. Yeah, even with the old code.
Sylvie said, send me the JS.
Alright. Yeah, because even with the old code, it is not,
Well, the entire directory.
the entire directory. What are you talking about? No, I got it. You mean this whole folder right here.
The HTML plus JS plus CSS.
What? There's only HTML in the script. You're good. Okay.
Oh, CSS was bundled with HTML.
Yeah, I wasn't that, like...
Webmage said, the JS, HTML, DB, credit card info, SSN, and firstborn.
Well, you're gonna be waiting for the firstborn for a while, because that ain't ever happening.
Sylvie said, I have all of those besides the JS and HTML, and firstborn.
Thought I opened... Oh my goodness.
Randy said, according to something I read, Adam was the firstborn.
Okay, I was like, why is it not open in Discord? Because apparently Discord was already open. Whatever. Invalid file type. Well, you know what? Whatever.
Sylvie said, how about we canonically make Randy go WS firstborn?
I don't know about all that. I don't know about all
Webmage
that.
said, sorry Mario, your Discord is locked away in another server.
Alright, there we go. No, I had Discord open,
Randy
but it said it
it
wouldn't.
would be a miracle since I'm 20 years older or so.
Well, I mean, honestly, if we're being honest, people believe in a virgin birth and all that stuff, which in itself is a miracle. So, I mean, is that really like that far fetched? I mean, I get your point, but I'm just saying. Miracles do happen, according to history.
Sylvie said, I too know a virgin birth, happened at my HS.
Randy said, so time travel is possible.
Hey, nobody ever said it wasn't. It's just a matter of when it's possible. Yeah, because see how we had this set up before, it was on commands.
or in which direction you are talking about.
Oh, you know what? I wonder. I'm wondering if I did some boo-boos listening to people. Okay, no. I tried. Wasn't it command? Or commands? Twitch chat message, Twitch, and receive, fine on. Eh. Initialize new client, custom options, endpoint. So I guess, yeah, I could just set this up instead of on data. Find configuration options, custom, boss, subscribe. On data. Yeah, there we go. So this was how I was doing it. On data. Which was this function. So I use the subscribe. So which one? Events. Here we go. So general custom. Or custom event. Hmm. So he's gonna turn around and be like, here, this is how you do it. Damn it. Hmm. That should be. Shouldn't really matter. Alright, args is not defined. So I'm getting data received now. YouTube play, command. Args is not defined. On command triggered.
Sylvie said, working for me.
What's working for you?
Webmage said, args 1, causing the issue.
Yeah. What's working for you?
Sylvie said, just to confirm, you are using CPH WebSocket Broadcast String, or WebSocket Broadcast JSON,
Oh, good God, I don't remember.
because those are the only things that export on general.custom.
Correct. What did I have it set to? String, yep. And all that sends is the video ID. Which worked at one point in time.
Add some data to that request,
Add what data?
like $data.
So
Just something to ensure that the string isn't empty /rug.
oh. Gotcha. So like what if I do another one? Or no, we need it on this one. Test data send.
That'd also work, but it'd say just do it on that one.
All right. Error and on data handler. Args is not defined at object.onData. But I'm getting a streamer bot data received, which is right here.
Webmage said, so your args 1 doesn't pick up the word after the command.
Yep. That makes sense.
Because args doesn't exist.
Sylvie said, the JS is expecting. YouTube command, args, you commented out all that logic.
I didn't comment out any logic. This was all you the last time. When you were showing me how to do all this.
I see // const args.
So the command split. I'm just telling you what happens.
You also need the CMD definition.
Because you had me do this like try case switch whatever thing. And we commented out a whole bunch of stuff on this. Alright, so args command split. And then I need the command definition. Which would be the CMD.
Webmage said, those 5 probably need uncommented.
Probably. I don't know why they were commented out. So, I mean, it's been so long. It was not me. Alright, let's just try this. Alright, data received. Undefined. So I guess what I need to do let's build this out so I can test and make sure it's sending the ID. Replace. I probably tried that too fast. Oh, I know what I did. Silly me. Play videos and playlists. Let's enable those again. Alright, sending and receiving data. But something is returning as undefined. Do play. It gives me user. Source command trigger. Alright. Well, we're slowly getting somewhere, but I think I needed the command info too. Let's look at the logs. Open. I knew better than to do this today. Why did I do this today? Alright, monitoring. Error retrieving playlist videos. The added or subtracted value results in an unrepresentable date or time. Alright, so that's fun. So how does that represent an invalid date or time? Is it because I changed this to an int? Shouldn't matter.
Randy said, is it negative like the other day?
No, it shouldn't matter because I'm using the exact same time thing for the access token. Unless it's doing the thing. You know what? I wonder if it's doing the thing. God dang it. I bet you it's doing the thing. Alright, going to Linux.
Sylvie said, the thing
Okay, so I'm having an issue with the light DB. As many times as I've told it to, like, I've been trying to, when the token for brand account or user expires, it refreshes, but then it overwrites the old one. But instead, it keeps putting a new row on for the new token. So when it goes to pull a token, it sometimes pulls the old one, the expired one that doesn't work, which is what I think is actually becoming the issue.
fun.
So I might need, like, your set of eyes to see where I'm screwing that up at. Because it writes fine to the DB, it pulls fine from the DB, but for some reason it will not overwrite.
Send me the snippet.
Oh, and now it's writing. Is that writing where I think it is? Oh, I know why I did that. Because I used the old code. I was like, why is it doing that? Okay, give me a sec. I just want to make sure. I want to dump this. So this way I can run this. Select all. There it is. That's what it is. That mother flipping freaking okay. That's starting to take me off.
Fun.
It's literally my DB problem. God. Okay. I'm gonna try not to be upset about that. Alright, hold on. Let me grab this snip of what I was. Wow.
Did you use some of TD's code again?
No, I did not. But it's yeah. I'll get you the snip though. It's pretty much this whole method, I'm pretty sure. Well, at least I know what the issue was there now. So it's pushing out the video ID now. So I'm fine on that end. Now it's just a matter of sending that ID across the WebSocket. So current video snippet resource ID. Okay, so that works. So I know it's pushing out the video ID. So it should send that broadcast string of the video ID. And it should be correct because it works fine in the send message. Alright, let's try to do this. I did. God damn it. I hate when I push the wrong buttons. Alright, at least that makes me feel better a little bit. Oh, there's such a silly freaking error. I know. You're gonna want to reconnect, but you can't. Alright, let's pull this back up. Failed to connect. Alright, we are connected. There we go. I have video ID now.
Your formatting may not be the best, but I see nothing wrong here. Let me check the docs to see if Terry's anything weird going on.
I gotcha. Yeah, I know my formatting's not great, but that's why I'm like, I don't see anything right offhand that should not grab the brand account and overwrite it. But for some reason, it's not. It's straight up saying, it's giving me the both middle fingers and telling me to fuck off. It's not going to overwrite. Like, that's literally what it's doing. I'm watching it stand on chairs. Like, it's standing on the tallest chair it can and just flipping me off with both hands. It's kind of annoying. It's worse than when TD actually misspells things on purpose.
Oh.
What I screw up? It's gonna be something simple too. I'm gonna be highly upset.
Remove the greater than check.
The greater than check?
Webmage said, feeling okay. Your colors looking a little off.
Don't make Webmage, don't make me hurt you. Are you saying this one?
Sylvie said, can't see screen.
Oh yeah, god dang it. Sorry, I forgot I was on Linux.
Randy said, yeah. Color is a little greenish around the guild.
So the less than here? Or no? Am I missing?
Sylvie said, in the 2 token dot find one.
2 token. Hell if I remember where that was at. I'm probably looking right dead at it and just like token to find one.
Line 127 to 130, I think.
Oh, these. Okay, find one. Okay, I see. So I'm just removing these?
That query.gt is not needed.
Okay. So this whole thing can go.
No.
Not touching it. Oh, the query got .gt. Not the query and query.eq. Just the query.gt.
You want to get the token, regardless of if it's expired. That way you can overwrite it, and not insert it.
Okay. So I just need to get rid of the query.gt and that should do that. This right here.
The greater than check is forcing you to always have null values if expired.
Okay. That makes sense. I knew it was going to be something simple that I missed. Because I'm like, all this looks fine. So why is this not working appropriately? It's just kept inserting in after it expired. Because I finally figured out how to do 12-hour, because I can do 12-hour tokens.
Can't fault you for that one, but it did take a fresh set of eyes to find, and at a first glance it was all good as well.
Yeah, that's why I was like, I need you to look at this, because I've stared at this and I can't find what the hell I did wrong in it. So I thank you. Like, I would probably not found that for a while. And that was a glaring issue, because obviously, you see, if I tried to push that out to anybody, I'd freaking be dealing with, you know, all sorts of issues. All because the token wouldn't overwrite. So I knew that had to get fixed. Alright, so now...
That's what code reviews are for.
Yeah, absolutely. That's why I like doing stuff on stream too, because like, you guys can be like, why are you doing that, stupid? Like, do it this way. It produces better things. But this is now sending the video ID in the data. So I'm assuming... So this sends... So I need data for video ID here. I'm pretty sure now.
I think you need data.
Are you sure?
No.
Yep, because it's undefined there. But the moment I did...
I'm never sure.
But the moment I take that extra data out... And then I do it. It tries to play it. Because you got data, and then the video ID.
Webmage said, progress.
It is progress. Holy crap, it's progress.
Sylvie said, fun.
Well, see, I know the Google, like, the embed API is a pain in the ass. So it's going to be real fun getting this to work. This is why I've avoided it for so long. So I didn't need this. I just needed to get general. Do I even need the... This event general custom.
Just be glad you are using Google's embedded API, and not Google's embedded API.
Yeah, exactly.
Embedded as in firmware.
Oh. Gotcha.
God, I hate words that have multiple meanings.
Welcome to the English language. That's the entirety of the English language. What do you mean?
That's why I hate English.
So now load YouTube player. Error occurred while loading YouTube player. Is player load video by ID is not a function. Is not a function. Alright, this thing's definitely gonna need some work. Third party cookie will be blocked. Learn more in the issues tab. Whatever the hell that means. Erica, please try again later. Learn more. Troubleshoot YouTube video errors. Connections to the video is available. That something went wrong. This content isn't available. Huh. Alright. Yeah, I'll get Linux again. While I go and see YouTube. I need my playlists.
Yay, Linux.
I need my playlist. Oh no, that's not what I wanted. Oh come on, seriously, just give me the list. Oh my god. There we go.
Nyan 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 nyan.
I just wanted the full playlist, god dang it. Okay, here's the next question. MEJ? That's that one. So I'm curious. Let's drag this one down. The heck was that? Error with permissions policy. Port closed before response was received. Okay, this is getting annoying. What the heck? No, don't you.
Secret projects are Friendly Jolt and Slack.
YouTube trying to annoy me. Alright, please try again later. So it's trying to load the videos. Player container. Script tag for script tag. . Huh. I don't understand. I don't understand why it's broken. Next video. YouTube.
Add load YouTube player Medj 0 to the very bottom. I want to see if it loads for you.
Okay, I load. You thinking it might be a it might be another permission error actually, now that I'm thinking about it. Just to the very bottom of this.
MHN.
It does. Obviously plays muted, but it plays.
Okay. Weird.
What? That it plays?
Progress though.
I don't even know how to turn the sound on this. Alright. So why is it giving me the message port closed before a response was received with oh, you know what? Copy link address. All right. So I gotta somehow get mute to 0 because it defaults to 1 and figure out why this is not playing correctly. But one step at a time.
Set autoplay to 0 and mute to 0.
How do I do that? Oh, right here. Duh. Don't I want autoplay to be 1 though? Or no?
Autoplay requires mute.
Oh. That's a little bit annoying. Because that kind of defeats the purpose of a
That's a
media
browser
player.
thing. Can't do much about that.
No, I gotcha. How does Nightbot do it then? Because don't they have an auto, like it just auto plays from YouTube? Or they must send a function at the end of the video or something to go to the next one.
The entire page is playing the stream, instead of a page loading a player. Or that's my guess.
Yeah, so that's what I got to figure out.
I know there are ways around it, just don't know if any will work.
Actual heck happened with this. Now it's not returning. Now it's returning object.
Autoplay with sound is allowed if user has interacted with the domain, click, tap, etc. On desktop, the user's media engagement index threshold has been crossed, meaning the user has previously played video with sound. The user has added the site to their home screen on mobile or installed the PWA on desktop.
Right. Oh, you know what? I don't think it's properly sending the video. Video ID, the video ID. Console log, video ID. Yeah, it keeps throwing object there. That's undefined. So data. Data, command starts with YouTube. Command split. Args. Play. Video ID comes in from data. So why is it throwing Object autoplay. So I don't think it's returning it correctly. Is that what I'm confused at this point. Keeps sending me this object error down here. Which might be where the issues are coming from. YouTube iframe API. UID. Function. Unplay ready event. Play video. Create YouTube. Am I missing something? Is that requirements? On YouTube, iframe API ready. Am I not using that function? I'm not. Is it because I'm not using that? Variable player on YouTube, iframe API ready. Where do we create? Create YouTube player. What do you think, Sylvie? API info.
Not sure how this is possible with the API without user input.
I gotcha. Well, the only thing I can think of is, if, like, once...
As from what I've seen, the only way to autoplay audio is in a frame with an MP3 playing.
Gotcha. Maybe I'm wrong, but I thought that, like, Nightbot had, like, their thing autoplay. And they do YouTube videos. I could be wrong, though.
They may convert to MP3 and play that instead.
That's possible. Because if I recall correctly, let's see.
Or maybe there is some permission that users can grant to allow unmuted autoplay, but as far as I am aware that doesn't exist.
No, you're fine. I just... Song request. Yeah, because essentially this is all this is. So I'm not sure how it's done.
Prog converting to MP3 and playing that.
That makes sense. So that may be something to consider. Although I don't know.
Technically that is against ETOs.
Oh, is it? Well, I don't know. Right now it's just a matter of getting the damn thing to work. I can worry about the rest of it later. And there's probably you could probably do it like, if we enter a play function though, like, couldn't you technically say, okay, get the time, and then at the end of that time, that timer clicks virtually the play button? So you could kind of
Question mark.
No, okay, never mind. I guess I'm not explaining that very well. So, I guess what I'm saying is, essentially, we're going to have a play function, a pause, stop, seek, next, right? This is kind of what we're going with. So,
if you control the user's mouse, yeah.
So I couldn't call the play function. I'm not saying the button, I'm saying the play function. I couldn't say, after X amount of time, run the play function automatically. Like the equivalent of me sending the command to play in chat.
But there is no in-browser way. It's to prevent those really annoying websites that used to blast ads as soon as you click onto the site.
Oh, I know that. I get that. And honestly...
No, ha ha ha. It has to have user input.
Okay. But also I'm wondering too... No, it wouldn't matter. I was like, because I know OBS strips all the, like, browser security out. But it's the YouTube API. It wouldn't let me do it anyway, even if that was stripped out. I don't know. The whole key right now is to have, like, get the damn thing to even work. And right now it's definitely not working appropriately. So I don't think it's building it right.
I mean, you can try converting to MP3, and then sending that to a base 64 encoded MP3 a frame.
Okay, one problem at a time. One problem at a time. I wonder.
Randy said, "Can you even get the video into your window, showing but pause?"
Yeah, but the error I'm on right now is trying to even get the video into the window. But yes, theoretically I could. Data.data. Let's try this. Ah. I wonder. No, that's data.data. So that gives me... Oh, it's an... Okay. So this returns this whole JSON. That's why it's not... Okay, how do I...
Sylvie said, depending on the data, just split out to a diff function.
Okay, so... It's kind of hard to show the console. But it goes... So I just logged this. So this is what returns. And then within that, the string, data, and then this. The video ID. So do I, like... I just need to grab this.
MHM.
So video ID data.data returns.
Just add another. Data.
So it is a so it does need the 3. But when I did that, it would say undefined. I swear it did. Okay, nope, there it is. But now something is undefined.
Just ignore that undefined. That's the CMD saying that.
Okay.
Randy said, "It was undefined before you changed the mute and autoplay."
No, Sylvie's right, it's the command. So now it's
Sylvie said, if video it / stuffs. If video would load YouTube player it.
if well we have the switch case in here. If video ID load YouTube player ID, or you're just trying to see if it works.
The video will never get there. If it's not a command it exits.
Ah. So what if I comment out the return?
So above that data. Command check, add that if video it.
Oh, this one. Okay. Yes. Is it ID or video ID there?
Video it.
Load YouTube player is not defined. But it's both video
I
ID.
did YouTube, not YouTube.
Oh. Well, of course, I would do proper. What do you mean? There we go. So that works now. Nice. I gotta go through and rewrite all this. Or do I? Because I do need to get the command stuff. Because command is going to change whatever function we have. But at least that works now. You know, I'm just curious. I know it's not going to. But I just want to do it just because I want to see. Yeah, it doesn't matter. It'll ignore it. That's what I figured. But I wonder if I was to put this in OBS, would it ignore it?
One of those call things making life harder, but also better.
Yeah, no, I mean, it makes sense why it's done. So I'm not annoyed on that point, by no means. I can't, like, I can be annoyed at Google and YouTube for a lot of shit, but I'm not going to be annoyed with them on that. However, what I am curious...
Randy said, even if it works in OBS, not everyone uses OBS.
And if they don't use OBS, they can get bent.
Sylvie said, that's their problem.
That's all I'm saying. If they don't use OBS, they can get bent. I don't build stuff for Streamlabs. Where's my... And I know that sounds harsh and wrong, but like, there's so much crap with Streamlabs that it's so closed up that it's so hard to build for it. It's like, why? Like, use OBS.
Sucky Labs.
Although they did come out with a plugin announcement today, along with OBS. So there's an OBS plugin now that you can use Streamlabs stuff. And I'm like, why? Why is that a thing? Alright, browser source. I just know sometimes, well, I know that OBS strips a lot of stuff out. So I'm wondering, God dang it. God, why can I not remember? I know this is wrong. Yeah, that was very wrong. And now I remember it. Okay.
It could also be hard coding into YouTube.js to ignore autoplay, muted and such. Shocking.
Alright, I should have set the audio control on that. But apparently I was correct. OBS does ignore it.
Lol.
So,
Rata-tata-tata-tata.
hold on, let me fix it. 1920 at 1080. Control audio via OBS. There we go. So this is actually good. This actually does what is going to do what I think it's going to do. I'm happy about that. So let's move. Let's move your little Nyan cat here. And now if I do this, it should pick that video. Yeah, that's what I'm wondering. Yeah.
Meow 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 meow.
I forgot I had to like actually like monitor it. So yeah. We can do that. Let's move another one. Let's put web mages up here. So this is positive. So if somebody wanted to use this, as long as they use it in OBS, then it would work fine. But the moment you try to use it outside of OBS, it won't work. But my experiment worked, and that's what mattered. So I can put it on.
You could also make the controller and the player separate.
What do you mean? Oh, like a separate like page just for the controller?
MHM.
I mean, it could.
And SBX in the middle.
I mean, right now it's just a layout of trying to get it to work. But yeah, things could be done like that. I'm actually not opposed to that at all. But it was kind of like I'm trying to build the music request system sort of deal with YouTube. And we can move in playlist, we can add to playlist, we can remove from playlist, and now we can play video.
Up their ass?
Yeah, sure. Whatever you say. But that's cool. I feel accomplished now. I do.
Randy said, okay. Does that fix your problem with the token in your other work? Not sure it was shared code.
No, I think what Sylvie pointed out should fix the token issue. I'll find out tomorrow though, when cause my tokens last for 12 hours before I have to refresh the token again. That's the max I can do. I don't think I can do any higher than that. YouTube doesn't let you. So I have to wait to see. Because essentially if it works correctly, it should grab the refresh token and refresh for me. And I shouldn't have to get the browser window again. But because...
Sylvie said, technically your old code worked if you were 5 minutes away from expiration.
Gotcha. Because see, what I was trying to do was do it how it's supposed to be done. Where you'd use your token. You get your initial token through the browser, and then after that, you just use the refresh token and constantly swap it out to refresh, like your auth. But instead of doing that, it kept adding a new damn token every row, and then when it went to go find the token, it would pull the old one and then tell me that it was a date time error, which is correct when it's pulling the wrong token. So I wonder, should I put these at 1920 by 1080? Let's see what happens. I'm just curious. Oh, it would help if I freaking...
With those glasses, can you only see every other line of code?
Okay, you know what? You're funny. Wow, I had this so backwards. So backwards.
Randy said, interlace vision.
Alright, let's try this again. Alright, so that'll fit it perfectly without the buttons. And then you could technically nest your scene. What's going on? Alright, there we go. So yeah, we're sending videos now. Hell yeah. So I need... We can get rid of that. Now playing.
I know a great all about the base video, but you don't want to strike, I assume.
Probably not. Probably not. Alright, so I need to increment the current video index for the next play.
Webmage said, 10 hours of Naya Cat.
Sylvie said, Naya.
So if I'm...
Randy said, here for you listening pleasure after stream. https://www.youtube.com/watch?v=ALNZ1NQM2U.
I really need an update for SpeakerBot that fixes that. Every time. Every time.
Sylvie said, I ran Izak Zeroth and the person who started on base had the worst form I have ever seen. Droopy elbow equals dia.
Oh Lord.
Randy said, I only look at the girls. Lol.
Alright, so this should send the message in. Oh, actually, before I do that, I'm building out before I even. Well, I'll deal with the if stuffs later. I just want to make sure this works. Oh, alright. Help. Close this. Try again.
Sylvie said, also, the basis that takes over after doesn't follow longest string method, which is a shame as it's the best way to make a bass sound good. Granted they're playing blues style, so they may be aiming for that sound. That bass is also too small for them.
I have streamer bot closed. What made you can't request it if it ain't open? My goodness. Okay, you can request now. See if this works.
Webmage said, so, they need an upright double bass then huh?
Nice. Hell yeah. What? What do you mean the video is unavailable? Really? I haven't even fixed that part.
Sylvie said, ha.
God dang it. I was like, why did it stop like all of a sudden? Yeah, I haven't gotten that far yet. We were just trying to make sure it played. I don't know if that'll work. Will it work? It didn't return anything. Huh.
Webmage said, nope, guess I'll stop breaking it now.
Hold on, I probably have a... Oh no. Hey, at least pause works. Oh, that's not good. That's not good.
Unpause, however, does not.
It clearly does not. Why y'all breaking shit? I don't know why y'all breaking shit. What y'all do? Alright. Script. Pause video, stop video. You know what? I think play only accounts for if there's a video ID.
Sylvie said, MHM.
So we need to account for if the video ID doesn't exist, then it resumes.
Or just is paused.
So instead of return is paused or is playing. Wait, hold on. So is playing is false. Create YouTube player.
Shrug.
So play is load YouTube player.
It just make it is pause flag.
Okay. Well, we have an is playing flag, so I wasn't sure. But I don't see where we... Oh, yeah. It says play video. If is playing, return. Oh, that's for the button. Isn't it? It's for the button.
MHM.
On pause button. Function play video. Player.play video is playing is true. Function pause video, if not is playing equals true, return. Or player.pause video is playing equals false. What's up, farm boy? How are you? So isn't that what we did with is playing? Or are you saying you throw a separate flag on there for is pause? I'm not doing too bad. Not doing too bad at all.
It just use a separate flag.
Okay. So I guess so var is pause default to false. I'm building all sorts of stuff. Right now I'm grudgingly building a music request system and player in YouTube. So essentially, as of right now, this is from a playlist. straight from YouTube. Doubtful. Doubtful that it works on YouTube Music. I will say that I will make no promises. YouTube Music has its own little thing, which is really super weird. So I know like somebody released something for YouTube Music, but I didn't dabble in it. Like I'm building this up like from scratch for YouTube. But yeah, as like she just added that, right?
Seems like it works.
So now In the Flood is added to this playlist.
That was taken from Eat Music.
Oh, was it? Okay. I mean, it all technically, with the way YouTube works, their streams, their videos, music, it all is on
I
the
was
same.
listening to that earlier.
It's all on the same system. So it I mean, it doesn't surprise me.
Drag it to the top. I wonder if the frame breaks or not. Ha.
I don't know. Let's see. This is what we're doing. We're testing. All right, it's on the top. Let's see what happens. It does not. That's actually kind of cool. That's good to know. So
It works.
you could do video or music. Hell yeah. Alright, this is turning out to be really, really a cool project now. There, that answers some questions. Now we gotta figure out the pause and all that good stuff. Ah. There we go. All through a browser source. I love it. All right. We have answered some questions. That actually makes me feel better about the project though, because I'm like, I don't know if it'll work with YouTube Music. Now it does. Well, now we know. All right. So, how are we going to use this is paused? Where's pause video function?
When pausing set is pause. When playing set is not pause.
I'm telling, like, okay. So I just need to change this to is paused instead of is playing. Because that's literally what this function is. And we call this function on pause. So I'm wondering, hold up. I'm curious.
paused. Is playing includes other states as well. That's why you should include other states as well. I am English master.
Is playing includes other states as well. That's why I should include. What states are we talking about? Colorado, Indiana. I don't know. I don't even know all the commands and
Is
stuff.
playing includes other states as well. That's why you should make a new flag for just pausing.
Okay, gotcha.
As is playing being false includes a state of not having any video.
Ah, okay. So if we case pause, we pause video. So we pause video. If not playing is playing equals true. Return. Otherwise, is playing is false. Okay, I'm confused on the logic now here. So is paused is false. In the case of pause, we call the pause function video, or pause function. So on pause video, we're going to say if it's not playing, then is playing we set to true. And then I should say is paused false. Correct? And then here, I should say is playing equals false, is paused equals true. This is if is playing, return. If is paused,
Play video function just needs to swap the flag.
play video function. Oh, so instead of is playing, just is paused?
No.
Oh!
No checks.
No.
Just set the flag.
Oh, so get rid of this. And then set is paused to false?
No. Keep.
You just said no checks.
At the end set the flag.
Okay.
No additional flags.
So is paused equals false.
Checks. My brain is melting.
No, you're good. Okay, that was you just confusing me a little bit. But I got you. I got you. Okay, so theoretically that should work, is what you're saying?
In the switch statement for play.
In the switch statement for play. So not here.
Randy said, I find these are new reasons I didn't take up coding and I didn't even know they existed.
Sylvie said, you need to check if his pause is set. If it is, you need to run play video function. Not on in.
Okay.
Read that.
Okay, I did that. Alright. So need to check if pause is set. If it is, you need to run play video function. Okay. That's what this does. I don't need anything else. That's where I'm trying to make sure I'm honing in correctly.
No. Go up.
Okay, going up. More? No, it's up here. So the switch statement.
At the top of the play case, add if is pause.
Okay, so right here, if
Yes.
is pause,
Then if it is run play video, and exit.
if is pause, play video, and then return? Or did I write that wrong?
Yes, but you have to be in.
In brackets. Oh, so in between the... Gotcha. That makes sense. That makes more sense. So if is pause, then play video, and then stop, like just return, cancel out. So now, this should work. I don't think that worked. It did not play it.
I need console locks.
Oh, well, I'm not going to get them on there. Let's try this. Video unavailable. Watch on YouTube. Okay, so it doesn't work in a browser.
Fun.
All right, let's pull a video. We know this one works.
You can actually get the logs from there if you run obs in a debug mode.
Oh. Why is it? Oh my god. Are you?
Ha! Classic it moment.
YouTube is killing me right now. Okay, this works.
Webmage said, they don't like to allow embeds outside of their site on some videos.
Yep, no kidding.
Sylvie said, "What's the error?"
There is no error. Besides this, what message port closed before response was received. But there's no error.
Weird.
Yup. Yup. All right, let's see what Randy shared over here. You know, Randy, you could actually request and just add those to that playlist, right?
I brain too fried to thinking anymore, so I'm just EP.
Randy said, it was just music.
I was thinking the same thing, Sylvia. I'm thinking, you know, it might not be bad to maybe call
With
it.
space pics as a background.
I gotcha. Cause I'm doing the same thing. I'm like staring at it going, this isn't making sense. I'll probably look at it tomorrow and go, oh wait, why'd we do that? That doesn't make any sense. Yeah, it just sucks because all the restrictions
It
are
had
there.
movement so you don't have to guess if it was paused or not.
I gotcha. I mean, move it to the top. Oh, it's one of those 24/7 live things. Got it. But yeah, I don't think... Oh, video paused. YouTube play. I mean, it'll pause it, but it won't play it again. That's the problem. So if I hit pause, that pause is fine. It works. But if I hit play again... Wait, there it goes. Player pause video is not a function. Haha, his broke. His broke.
Webmage said, maybe you can't pause live stream.
Randy said, I think I played that in the background when playing Planet Crafter since it was copy protected.
Well, no, I tried playing... Alright, so... Hold on.
Not copy protected, sorry.
Like... Let's put this here again. And that's the thing, it's like... Hit play. Oh, of course, I forgot. That one's unavailable. What was one? Oh, Nyan Cat. Let's try Ratata. Alright, so I can hit play. And I can pause it. I can play it. But then it tells me that's not a function anymore. So it's breaking somewhere. It'll let me pause it and play it, and then after I play it again, it won't let me pause it anymore.
Set the pause flag again.
So if is playing returns, player, play video. You know what? I wonder. Pause video. If not, is playing. Is pause false? Yeah, I'm not sure. It's like it breaks somewhere, and I'm not sure where it's breaking. The play video. If is playing return. So that stops. If it's not playing, it continues and says is playing true, is paused equals false. But pause the video. If it's not playing, then is playing is true, is paused equals false. I'm wondering if it's breaking with this.
Oh, what a web we weave. Lol.
Yeah, it's... I'm thinking I'm thinking this might be a good spot to call it and then try again some more. Because my eyes are getting heavy and I'm staring here looking at this and I'm like, this should work. But for some reason, there's something in there, in the way this is called, that this is not working. And I'm not sure what I'm missing. So pause video, that goes to that function. Is pause, play video. Yeah, I'm not sure. I mean, at least we got it working. And then on top of that, it's really nice to know that I can freaking throw it in OBS and it bypasses the freaking limits. So that's good.
You probably do need the rest. You started off a bit off as it were.
Yeah. And once I start looking, like, keep staring at code, it doesn't get any better. It just gets worse. So that's probably a good idea. Good God, how many windows did I have open up? Holy crap. This is another thing that happens when you start, like, building shit. The amount of windows. Alright. No, it's been fun. It's been real fun. I actually feel like, though, we got we went and got like some decent progress.
A million windows of Chrome. It wasn't wrong. It ran out of memory.
That was on this computer. It wasn't on the other computer that crashed. I don't know what happened with the other computer when it crashed. That's crazy. But anyways, we're gonna call it. Thank y'all for hanging out. It's been fun. I'm actually happy that we got that working because I haven't messed with that since a long while ago. So I'll find out tomorrow if the little thing that Sylvie pointed at me fixes my token issue, because that will solve a lot of issues if that's completely fixed. So that would be great. But yeah, I'm happy we can pull from a playlist. We can add, move, delete. I just got to get this web browser thing together, and you'd be able to actually play videos and music from YouTube all in a whole request system. So it's going to be fun. Once I get it all working, then I can flesh it out, which is always the fun part. But at least Jiffy's working and released. I was gonna get the video done this past weekend because I had the house to myself, and then it rained, so I didn't have the house to myself. So I'm like, great. However, I'm gonna try to get that done this week. So, Google's nice. But yeah, I'm gonna start. I think I'm gonna try to release the translate tool and stuff too. Try to get the membership set up in a way that I can go ahead and start releasing them.
Didn't want a Google ad.
I figured that's not what you were going for, but that's what happened. It was pretty funny. But anyways, thank y'all for hanging out. We're slowly getting places. Googly eyes. Yeah, there you go. There you go. But yeah, we're slowly getting there. I hope to start releasing some stuff soon. I'm really digging how far we've gotten with a lot of stuff.
Better than what I was thinking anyway.
I'm scared now. I'm scared. But yeah. Thank y'all for hanging out. I hope everybody has a great rest of the week. I will see y'all back here on Friday. I don't know what we're gonna do. It may be some more StreamerBot stuff. Who knows? I don't make plans.
Later on, everyone. Have a good one.
But yeah. Maybe we'll spread democracy this weekend. Who knows? But yeah, thank y'all for hanging out. Have a great night. Have a great week. And until next time.
Webmage said, even with the disconnect earlier, still have my watch streak.
That's good. That's good. I wasn't sure. That disconnect sucked. But anyway, I'm going to see what I can do to solve that from happening again, hopefully. But anyways, have a great night.